Hey guys, so you just picked up a Profit Sport Mini 50 watt charger. This is a lithium nickel metal charger. Just going to show you guys real quick how to hook it up and begin charging. Today we're going to be charging a 2-cell 5200. This has a Dean's plug on it, so we had to get the appropriate connector to match the charger. Go ahead and open it up. Manual right on top. Make sure you give it a quick read. We got power cable, charge lead, which comes with an EC3, which is what I was mentioning before. Make sure you get the charge cable to match your battery, or battery to match the charge lead. Charger comes wrapped up. Pull it out. We have the amp switch, the start-stop button, and the LEDs in the front. Leads in the front, positive, negative. And on the side here, after we remove the sticker, we have 2, 3, and 4 cell balance port. First thing you do is take the power cord, get that unwrapped. Plug it into the back of the charger. Give it a good wiggle, make sure it's in there all the way. We're going to plug it in. Status LEDs will go red, green, and then flash red to green on the charger, letting us know it's ready. So I picked up these leads. It's just a basic squid, but it has the Dean's plug on it. We're going to go hook that up. Negative, positive. Make sure you have that correct, otherwise it won't work. On the side of the charger, we're going to hook up our balance cable, small white one. Now we're going to hook up our main lead. Now that everything is hooked up, we can go ahead and set our amps. So this is a 5200. Rule of thumb, throw a decimal point between the first two numbers, and I'll give you your basic amps. Some batteries are rated for more, but this charger only goes to 4. So we're going to flick it all the way over 4. Now it already comes default on LiPo, so technically it's ready to go right now. But if you tap this button, you can cycle through if you got a nickel metal or life or high voltage LiPo. I'm going to kick it back to LiPo. We're at 4 amps. Hold the button down. Now the LED is going to flash red, letting us know it's charged. It'll go from flashing red to yellow to flashing green to eventually solid green, which is fully charged. Make sure you check out your manual. It'll tell you what the flashing lights mean. Maybe you have an error code or something like that, but at the moment everything's working fine. We're flashing red and you're just going to let it charge. At this point we're just waiting for it, so have fun guys, and I'll see you in the next one.